Hi, Namaste. My name is Enosh. I am a Yamener from India. Now I am serving in Indonesia to elementary primary school. I am a assistant English teacher. So I got a opportunity to come in Indonesia to join Yamener program. It is a global service learning program only for youth age of 18 to 30. I have learned a lot of about Indonesia. I have a lot of experience from Indonesia. So it is a happy moments we will be learn together and sharing together. And I meet with my three friends, one from Zambia and Laos and from Canada. So it is a very happy moments until now. So like that we are one family in Indonesia and sharing about different culture, different language, and I got a opportunity to learn Indonesia culture. Indonesian bahasa and different sports. It was a new for me, but everything has help from God's. I can do and everything. And before I cannot say anything. I couldn't. I was experience. So in Indonesia, I got a lot of experience, and I am happy for joining this program. So I am also encourage both of you. You can join this program, so you will be get lot of experience to learn global service program. And when I will be go back to India, and I will be share my experience in my community, in my youth, in my churches also. Thank you.